Step 1. Check if the shower threshold is level using a spirit level or straight edge. Step 2. Use the bottom positioning block center to determine where the two side beam fixing devices go. Then drill in 6mm hole. Then fit expansion screws and fasten them with round head screws. Step 3. Measure and cut the top track to fit your bathroom size. And assemble the relevant accessories of the top track in sequence. Assemble the top rail with top rail fasteners. After confirming the rail is flush with the bottom, tighten and secure it. Step 4. Insert the glass panel into the wall-mounted aluminum profile. Once the glass is fixed, mount the top track onto it. Step 5. Fix bottom water guide assembly, and then clamp the fixed. Once the position is fixed, make holes and insert the screws. Step 6. Attach roller parts to the glass door panel sequentially. Position the rollers over the top track. And set the glass panel in the bottom positioning box groove. Step 7. Mount fixing pieces beneath the top rail to prevent glass panel shift during sliding. Step 8. Install F-shaped water barriers on fixed and movable glass. Step 9. Up and down level height adjustment. And position the locator to the right position from the stainless steel beam edge. Then tighten the locator's set screw with an angle wrench. Step 10. Install the handles. Step 11. Apply silicone sealant and allow 24 hours for it to fully cure before using the shower.